welcome back to my show, Let's See It. And today we are going to do an unboxing on the February Boxy Charm. And you know, this box is a pretty good sized box. I'm not sure if this is the Boxy Charm box or the Boxy Luxe. I subscribe to both, so usually the Boxy Luxe comes in March, so maybe this is the Boxy Charm, but geez, it's a big box. So I'm gonna have to find out and let you know later in the description what kind of box this is. So opening it up here and showing it to you here. Yeah, I think this must be, well, I don't know. I really couldn't say. Okay, so the first thing I have is the Laura Geller Swirl Illuminator, Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator Gilded Honey. And I've had this before and it's very beautiful, very subtle gold sheen to it. Another item I got is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. So here's the packaging. You can see that the powder is just like a white powder. I wonder if it smells like coconuts, because I love coconuts. Yep, it sure does. So awesome. So it's just like a basic white talc powder, and so if you like coconut, then you'll like this powder. Next, I received refreshing cleansing hemp wipes from Evio Skin Aurora. Yeah, it's black, so I wonder if they're like charcoal. Nope, they're white. See that? Interesting. So I'm not going to use these. Well, okay, you know what? I will. I'll use this to clear off my hand that has some samples on it from another video I did here. So let's see how it does. Oh, it took off the eyeliner really well. Here is another thing I got, a Luxy complete sponge set, which is really cool because makeup sponges are like my favorite way to apply foundation and concealer. So this is really nice because now I have one for my foundation, for your highlighter and stuff, and then this is probably for your concealer under your eye. You know what? This is just a Boxy Charm because there's not any other products in here except one last thing. The Iconic London eyeshadow palette, Day to Slay. So this is pretty thick looking palette. Let me get the reflective thing off of here. So at the top of it is a mirror, and then here is the palette. Look at that. Isn't that a gorgeous selection of neutral tones that have satins and glitters and shimmers and everything. Wow, this looks like a lot of fun. How exciting. So that box definitely had a theme of like natural tones. You have your Iconic London eyeshadow, your Laura Geller Illuminator, the Ciate coconut powder, the complete sponge set, and the makeup wipes all together. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and if you did, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.